Alright, here is the letters, and they are heavy. They're nice. 3M tape. They come like this. They come with some instructions. You can look through there. Honestly, pretty self-explanatory. Again, these are from the Taco Garage, and I've not seen any of the other ones that you find on Amazon, this and that, to compare, but I don't see how you could be any better than what these are. The finish is great. I mean, it's actually metal, you can tell, and should last a long time. So we're going to put these on, and I'll zoom in there. And you can see there, if this thing will focus. Anyway, there you go. 3M tape, just like as advertised. Nice matte black finish. There's the A. And I've test fitted them. I'll walk back here and look. I just held them up there to make sure they fit precisely. You just want to make sure you get them in there centered and everything. So I'll set the camera up here and I'll video that process, and you can see what I have to do to them and make it easier on you maybe when you do them. Okay, so here's what you're going to need. Some paper towels, a clean rag, your letters, a heat gun or hair dryer. To do it how I'm going to do it, that's optional, but you'd need that. I've got some 91% alcohol that I'm going to clean it with after I dry everything off. It's a nice rainy day here in Tennessee. It is in the 60s in January, so I'm not complaining about that. Dr. Pepper's optional, but it really does help. So anyway, I'll set everything up and I'll film me putting them on, and I'll show you what you do with them. Alright, first thing we'll do, it's been rainy here. I'm just going to make sure there's no water where I'm working. Just use some paper towels. Clean down the end of the letters really good. You can use microfiber, anything you want. Paper towels were handy. Oh, look at that there. Okay. Next thing, I'm going to take some of this alcohol and wipe down in the letter. That gets any wax or any residue or anything off of there. Even on a new vehicle, chances are the dealer waxed it. And you're going to have wax and detailer stuff, all kinds of stuff in there, so it's good to get all that out. That way you get a good adhesion. That's a critical thing. Alright, so then we're done with that. We'll take our letter out and take a fingernail and barely get the protective backing started. Okay, and I'm just going to lay that down right there, and we'll heat it real quick with the heat gun. And that's it. It's on a very low heat setting. You can tell it's a good bit stickier. Now you want to line this up centered in that insert. And then just push it on there good. This backing is always kind of hard to get off. Doesn't matter what brand it is. You don't want a lot of dust or anything like that under these either. You want to take your time and make sure you're not getting dust under it. It might not stick down good. Once you stick that, it's pretty much there. So spend some time just like I'm doing there and making sure that it is centered in that indentation, because if you don't, you will see it. And if you're like me, it will annoy the crap out of you. And you'll be putting them on again. These are metal. I'm really impressed with the quality of them. They're not just some plastic emblem. They're actually metal. So if you need to take these off, you could actually take them off and put more tape on them and reuse them again. You might hear some traffic and some birds. It's nice out, so I'm doing this with the shop door open. And I'm not getting that super hot. Just I've found with the stuff in the past that a little bit of heat makes that adhesive stick a whole lot better right from the beginning. If it's cold, you need to be doing that anyway, because if that's not warmed up, it's not going to adhere really well at first. So that's a good idea if, like right now it's the middle of winter, it's in the 60s here, but other places the middle of winter is not the 60s. I don't know what that is, but take it off there. Anyway. And this is a pretty much self-explanatory product and straightforward, but little tips like the heat gun, that will make your life easier. And a hairdryer will, like I said earlier, hairdryer will work fine. Doesn't have to be super hot. And just put some good pressure on there to make sure that adhesive is stuck well. And again, I got these from a taco garage. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I paid full price just like everybody else. And it's where I got my grill as well. I got some other small things from them as well. I definitely buy from them again. The quality is just really impressive. And they were quick to ship. The only issue I had was the Postal Service's website didn't update, so it didn't look like it had shipped. And it was on a weekend, but I did email them, and before they could even respond, then it was already showing that it was less than a day away. So it was just, that was the Postal Service issue. That wasn't their issue. Well, all right. That is a done deal. Big improvement again. That was not difficult at all. Never hurts to look back over everything, make sure everything is stuck down. If you did it right, it should be right there. Perfect. Perfect. So that's it. About anybody should be able to do that. That's like arts and crafts day at school in kindergarten. If you could do arts and crafts day, you can do that. All right, thanks for watching, and enjoy.